Hey guys, this is Jody with ReloadYourGear.com, and today we're going to be looking at the Sig Romeo5 red dot sight. It's a compelling value offering from a trusted brand that competes with Holosun and Vortex at this entry level. Let's get into the review. With this Romeo series of red dots, Sig has moved into the optic space with a splash, and so far reviews have been pretty positive. Here's how it stacks up against competitors. As you can see, battery life, optics, and features are on par with the competition, and the motion activated feature to turn on the dot when you pick up the gun is definitely appreciated. Of course, you always give up something for this kind of value, so I tested the scope's light transmission to understand just how much. All in all, the glass is pretty good, but you can definitely see a ring around the edge of the optic where there's some distortion. This isn't an ACOG after all. To help with quick target acquisition, the red dot has 10 settings for illumination powered by a CR2032 battery. There are 2 settings that are night vision compatible, and the brightest dot is plenty on a sunny day. The adjustments are fairly discreet and easy to make with the caps rather than extra tools. So overall, what's the conclusion after our range time? At the price point, this is a good entry-level optic. It's not a name point or a EOTech, but it'll get the job done out to 100 yards or so. If you need more precision at longer ranges than the red dot gives, be sure to check out our LPVO reviews. Otherwise, check the description below for a link to the best deal on the Romeo 5 that we could find. Like reviews that get straight to the point and don't waste 20 minutes talking. Hit the like button below and subscribe to keep up with the latest optics, guns, and shooting gear.